friends, today I'm going to show you how I make mango, coconut and almond smoothie. So to make this smoothie, it's very simple and very quick. So I have some almond coconut milk, and I have 2 cups of frozen mangoes and few pieces of fresh coconut to give the little crunchiness, and this is really optional. If you don't like that coconut flavor or crunchiness of the coconut, you can completely leave it out. And I have some cardamom powder and some raw honey. So this is unsweetened almond coconut milk. So if you have a sweetened milk, you may want to not put the honey or not put any sweetener. It's really a choice. So I have unsweetened milk, so I'm going to use some honey, and you can use some sugar also. So first step is I'm going to blend the mangoes in the blender and few pieces of coconut. So mango and coconut are really nicely blended, and I'm just going to check there are no big coconut pieces in it. You can see they are nicely blended, and I don't see there's a little coconut shreddings like that thing, a little bit pieces, very tiny pieces, but really no big pieces. So I'm going to add some milk at this point. So it is again your choice, but I'm going to add here around 4 cups of milk, and I have a measurement right here, so that's how I measure. And I'm going to add some cardamom, and I have 1 teaspoon of cardamom here. And then the same thing here, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. I had 4 cups of milk, 2 cups of mangoes. So mango has its sweetness, so I just put 2 teaspoons of honey. And if the honey is not enough for the choice, you can always add some more honey. So I'm going to cover this up and give it a nice blend again. Garnish our drink with some cherries and coconut. So smoothie is ready to be served. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.